Happy birthday, Olivia. You get a garlic the size of your ear. Wrapped.
That's a ripoff.
I need to cut my onion. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday, Olivia. Going to church for your birthday is so fun. Can't do it with him. No.
What do you mean we? You mean Boston?
We are in the kitchen trying to sear a roast for dinner.
Trying.
And the kids, excuse me, you're charging the kids to tie their bracelets? How much are you charging them?
Like 25 cents.
Okay, well that's not bad. Okay, Cody,
That wasn't bad.
Cody, how much did you charge Lincoln for an airplane?
$5 for a paper airplane. Cody, you're smiling so.
You don't know anything.
Lincoln said, I'll give you $1 for an origami, and I said, okay.
And then you said 5.
Let him talk,
and he
let
gave
him
you
talk.
5.
What, Cody?
And I said, Lincoln said, I'll give you $1 for a paper airplane or whatever he wanted. And I said, okay. And then he kept on paying me for them. I never asked.
What do you mean he kept on willingly, or you said?
Okay, what else are you guys charging each other for?
Candy.
Yeah, I paid him $1 for every single one. I paid him.
I'm not mad at Olivia. Sometimes
$5 that got ripped, and
I'm not mad at Olivia, but she'll usually have like shakes from LeBeau's that she still has, and like about full. So
I'll be
she'll
like,
say-
hey, if you
and then
want it,
she'll
you
say,
can buy
hey,
it.
She said, if you want it, you can give me some. Like you can buy it from me, and I usually just buy her shakes.
Yeah, Boston's the nice one. He's like, okay, and Cody's like, that's a ripoff. Says you $5 for a piece of paper.
Okay,
That's
stop
stupid.
charging each other for things.
I don't think that's ever gonna stop.
You need to save your money.
That's what I am doing. I'm saving money off of them.
Okay, I need to cut my onion. Happy birthday, Olivia. You get a garlic the size of your ear. Are you what? Oh, your pocket knife? Okay, I don't know if you're gonna need it. Did Dad give that to you the other day? Olivia was so scared to ask for one. I'm like, Olivia, he has
50 billion.
10. Just ask him for one. Okay, chair of choice. Where do you want to sit? Oh, the ground. Okay. I wanted Olivia to open a present right now because I feel like she could use one. I'm like, I think she's feeling like today isn't very exciting and fun, but we've got her party tomorrow. Today is still special. Okay, go ahead. This is from Grandma Griffiths. I haven't opened it, so I have no idea. Yeah.
From Grandma?
Yep. Grandma Griffiths sent this.
So some glasses.
From
Tiffany. Oh crap! Oh no! What did Grandma do?
Yeah, I think Mom wants this.
No, I'm like.
Okay, here, pause.
It's
I
like a
opened
box.
it. I opened it and I saw that and I immediately closed it and I was like, I cannot look at this. And it was so hard, so tempting. Okay.
Do you know how many of those I've unwrapped?
Do you know how
Mom's
many
like-
of those I've unwrapped?
I was gonna say, does Mom know how many she's unwrapped?
I'm scared.
I know, me too. No, but I don't want to stop paper. Okay, here you go.
Oh my
my
word.
heck.
Okay, is there a note that came with it?
It says, happy birthday, dear Olivia. We are both getting older. I hope you will always remember that I love you, Grandma.
Aww. Keep
so
the little
tiny.
card.
It's
That is
Valentine's.
So fun. Oh my gosh, keep your little box. I have all of my little baggies.
I'm gonna keep this. I'll put it inside.
That's so cool about Tiffany's because they send you everything to like prep.
Oh my
like
heck,
a
it's
gift.
heavy.
Is it? I wonder what's in it. So maybe it's one of their like trinket things.
I kind of think it's a necklace.
Oh,
Solid gold bar.
he like throws it.
Okay, open it. I'm dying. I always hate unwrapping the bows. I'm like, I want it to stay that way forever.
It's okay. We'll learn how to do it ourselves.
What?
Money. It gets scarier and scarier the more you
know.
open it.
Small.
Amazing.
Pull a small piece.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my heck.
Oh my gosh.
Is it a bracelet or a necklace?
I wanted to get your face first before I come in and like look at the jewelry.
What's in the gauntlet?
There's a heart.
Let me get that out.
You just muted.
I don't trust the bucket. Okay, well, like there's like a little hole.
Oh, from far away I thought it was pearls. I see what it is. So stinking
Oh,
cute.
she's sweet.
That charm is so tiny and cute. Olivia, I have one like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing
Uh-huh.
here, so.
That Grandma got all of us for a Christmas gift. So, and mine's a little bigger and yours is a little smaller.
That's cute.
They would be so cute stacked together.
Olivia's gonna keep that.
Or like you wear your baby one, I wear my mommy one. Have Daddy put it on you.
Which hand do you want it on? This one? I mean, it is
Grandma,
Yeah,
that
when I
is
said
so
it, I was
sweet.
like, that's kind of heavy here.
What a sweet birthday present. Grandma, that is so nice.
heavy. That's cool.
So pretty.
Let me see. Okay, that is so cute.
Does it say anything on the back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It says Tiffany and Co. Please. Something to.
Please return to
Oh.
Olivia. That is
freaking
the
love it.
cutest.
That's so pretty.
First of many.
So
She's sweet.
pretty. I love it.
No, thank you, Grandma.
They don't answer the phone. They don't get a happy birthday. It's cousin. Oh, it's cousin Grayson's birthday, and he's not answering. He was born 4 hours after Sissy was. Grandma and Grandpa Hoellein are on their way over, and guess whose birthday was yesterday? Joel's mom. So we're gonna celebrate with her. And Olivia also shares a birthday with Uncle Landon.
Text him.
We should call them.
Yeah, we can. I mean, if you like it.
Smash your face in it.
We are not doing that. We are not doing that. Are you gonna blow it out together? Okay.
What if you accidentally
Not yet.
before grandma?
Holy cow, that thing's a torch. Where'd you find that lighter?
Dad.
Usually we're barely getting them lit.
Yeah. Look at that thing.
Okay.
It doesn't work anymore.
Okay, you ready?
It got done.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma and Olivia. Happy birthday to you. Wait for it.
1, 2, 3.
I go
Get him. Good job.
Those will blow out easiest.
I think Boston's more excited for this present than you are. You do
Boston's
not
been
even know what's in
snooping.
it.
No, I swear I haven't. This I
Yeah,
do.
right.
Yes.
No, go over there. I know. I don't want you to tell me.
I told Cody.
Smash it open with your hand. Just
You can tell me if you were right.
All the popping bags open the box.
Wait.
it's already cut. It's already
Olivia's
cut.
gone. Where's Olivia's? You don't have this?
No, that's not the one I wanted you to
Yeah, there you
open first.
Okay, then do you want me to open this one first?
I love wrapping paper.
I think I labeled him wrong. Sorry.
Wait, which one?
No, they're Converse.
I know it. I told Cody. I knew it. I told Cody.
Let's see.
She wants Converse.
She wanted
I told
Converse.
you.
They're so cute.
I told you.
That's
I
fun.
told Cody that.
Love them.
I want
But your feet aren't that big.
I know they actually look really big.
Well, they're supposed to be like really longer, but
No, they look cute.
Are those the tall versions?
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're
the
the.
thicker soles.
That's what we
The
want.
bracket that she can get into Boston shoes.
yeah, I can fit into Boston's. Okay.
Cute.
So what? I told Converse. I knew I was right because I told Cody that they were gonna be Converse. You told me it was gonna be a Lego. And I said this one might be.
That one.
That's too quiet.
I don't
I don't care what's up
think I know what this one is though.
You also said there was a.
What
I'm
is
actually
it?
gonna let her open it up first. because this one off and it's not locked.
If you don't guess it, you don't get it. Just
Me,
kidding.
it's a hoodie.
Okay, and yes, but that one's black, and then we got black hoodies at girls' camp. So if you want to change the color so you don't have two black hoodies, isn't that cute?
Yeah.
With black
To go with
tennis
their
shoes.
That's really
You
fun.
said it's gonna be a fan.
A fan?
Yes, you said it's gonna be a pretty
No,
cute fan.
it's like perfect.
If you want to trade it for a different color or a different one, you can.
No, I like this one.
Isn't that gonna be cute?
Every year you get shoes, Olivia.
Yeah, she's had shoes for the past few years now.
That's what she wants. That's what she asks for. Do they fit? They are so cute. Do most people do the little thing all the way up, or do you just stop? You just stop there. Cute. They brought the mitts to your house.
Yeah, they played in our backyard.
Oh, you know what? That's got your one wheel.
But then it got awfully hot.
Huh?
Did it?
I got it.
Her favorite time to play baseball is when the sun goes
Goes
down,
down.
the street lights come on. I don't want to embarrass Olivia and like film her party, so I'll make sure this is okay with her and her friends, but I am just watching all of them set up a projector movie. They're hanging a sheet. They're getting the projector put on the little table out there. More people are here. These kids are absolutely dying. I know you're aching to like go out and play with them. Lincoln's like looking at them through the window. We're trying not to be creeps. Awesome, thank you. I'll wash it. We're trying not to be like creeping in on you. Uh-oh.
Fell off the swing.
Oh no. But everyone is being so cute out there, and I was telling my kids, it doesn't matter if you're an adult, it doesn't matter if you're a teenager or a little kid, you'd never outgrow the swing set. Nope. They're all out there playing. Okay.
There was a guy that was playing rock, paper, and scissors. And every single time he lost, he would be like,
I like hate that you guys are creeping on him. Lincoln and I are dying for different reasons. Lincoln, you are 7 years old. And I'm not letting him go out and play with the kids because he's 7 years old. So the boys, Olivia let the boys go out and roast hot dogs and have dinner. And I want to go out there in the worst way. This is why I'm dying. Is because the kids are so cute out there. Her friends are so nice, so sweet. And Olivia is just like, I'm just beaming inside for her. I just feel like this is how it was for me when I was young. I had a really awesome group of friends, and I just loved being with them. And we were all good to each other. And I feel like this group of friends with Olivia, they're really good to each other, and they want each other to be happy. And like, that is just such a blessing. You don't realize it until you don't have that. So I'm really grateful that Olivia has some friends and that she's having a party. I want them to feel comfortable, so I am going against everything in me from going out there and like filming them. They may or may not care, but I just want Olivia to be comfortable. I want her friends to be comfortable. So we're gonna close Olivia's birthday vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys later. Link, I know you are so sad. Do you see how sad he is sitting here? He wants to go out so bad, but for other reasons too, we're just not letting you go out. Happy 14, Olivia. Okay, we've got like one lone person. I told the kids that I wasn't gonna film them, and they were like, no, you can! I think this is going to touch the ground. Okay. Okay. Ask me why that was so scary. I went out there and I'm like, you guys can say no, but I was wondering if I could just at least take a picture, and they were like, yes, of course, let's take a picture. And then I was like, I was trying not to film you guys. I don't want to be like creepy, weird. And they were like, we want you to film us. But I can't bring myself to do it. It's too scary. They're too scary.
Is that weird you're having a teenager party?
Yes. Yes, it really is. And I am like so happy for them though. They're just having fun. And I swear that's just me and you out there.
Oh yeah.
Like that was our age. That's
Think
when
they'll
we
let us join us?
I don't want to join them. We'll just reminisce on our old times. They all said you can do it anytime. Olivia just texted me as I was filming, and she said they all said that you can come film anytime. So I might send you outside of the camera later.
I will.
That's the best part.
Okay, hurry before the flies go in the house. Okay, I will let you guys go out and sneak and watch the movie with her if you get these things cleaned up. So put like the food in the fridge, put those in the house. Yeah, you guys clean up and then I'll let you sneak over there.